Chapter 23. Sorry I'm late, Anjali said, in a maroon turtleneck and black slacks with her huge laptop bag on her shoulder. She looked sleek and elegant. Coming from work? I said. Sort of. I freelance now. I work out of a Starbucks near my old office. We were at Dunkin's Donut in Cyber Hub. Saurav ordered hot tea with ginger for all of us and a selection of a dozen donuts that came in a massive pink box. Who is going to have so many? I said. Chill, this is a takeaway box. We will take home whatever left, Saurav said, picking up a sugar glazed donut. Thanks for meeting me, guys, said Anjali. She looked cuter than ever in her turtleneck. I wondered if Saurav would be okay with me dating her now. After all, the family taboo didn't apply anymore. Donut? Saurav offered. She declined. I wanted to share a few things with you about Prerna Didi's case, Anjali said. What? I said. About the family. It's not as perfect as they make it out to be. They are as dysfunctional as any other family. Okay, I said, not knowing what to expect next. You guys still investigating the case? Saurav and I looked at each other. We can't. We aren't able to, Saurav said. You heard Ramesh uncle. He didn't approve of Keshav asking Namrata Didi questions. How will we ever investigate the family? What about the police? Anjali said. They don't seem that interested, just doing some routine reports to show they did work before closing the case, I said. Yeah, Ramesh uncle wants to close the case, but Bindu Masi and we both want to find out what happened. Even Maji says she saw someone. Mrs. Goyal heard someone. How can we accept it as an accident? She took a sip of her tea. We are not accepting that, I said. You said you wanted to share something? Anjali leaned forward. Well, I'm sure you will find out more as you will be staying in the same house soon. But this family is expert at keeping a facade. As in? I said. Ramesh uncle stressed. Car sales overall are in a downturn, Saurav nodded. It's more than that. Uncle drinks alone in his house every night, Anjali said. How do you know? I said. I have seen and heard him fighting with Neelam auntie, arguing with Prerna, shouting at her, walking up and down the stairs of the house at night, smoking late at night outside the house or on the terrace. Wait, did you say terrace? Saurabh said. Yeah, sometimes, Anjali said. Why? You think uncle could be involved? I said. I don't know, I'm just saying, why does he want the case closed so bad? Why does this entire family has a tendency to cover up things? Anjali said. What other things have they covered up? I said. She pursed her lips. What, Anjali? Is there anything else they have hidden? Saurav said. Anjali stared at the table, still silent. She seemed to be choosing her words carefully. Take your time, I said, picking up my cup. She sighed. I found out something I wasn't supposed to. Personal. What? I said. They made me swear not to tell anyone. It can bring shame to the whole family. Frankly, it is not connected to the case. I would rather not share it. Sorry, it has to come from the family first. What is it, Anjali? Saurav said, keeping his third donut down. Nothing connected to the case. Trust me on that. All I am saying is this family avoids the truth. They may want to give up on the case. You don't. We are not going to, I said. Yeah, thank you for that. Anything I can help you with, I'm there, Anjali said. How well do you know Namrata? I said. Her partner? Anything about her that you would be concerned about? I said. Oh, Anjali said after a pause. She's a suspect? I looked back without blinking. Are you serious? She said and looked at Saurav. She's not the only one. There's Neeraj too. Didi's ex? Yes. Do you know him? Anjali shook her head. They broke up before I came to India. I do remember her being devastated though, she said. Saurav and I looked at each other. More than anything, we wanted to know the shameful family secret now. However, pushing her would not work. We had have to be patient and not come across as too keen. There's 6 donuts left, Saurav said to Anjali. You want to take 3 back with you?